So, hello guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing or unboxing this watch right here. So, yep, this is the watch. It's made by klockis. Oh, that's clocks. Alright, so here you've got the watch. Oops, sorry. And some documents right here. Documents and a manual. This is a picture manual. Well, first time seeing that. So, basically, what's special about this watch is when you turn it or rotate it, the mode changes. So right now it's showing the time. Now it's showing the temperature. So it's 34 degrees, pretty hot. And you've got timer. Yeah, that's the timer, and you've got an alarm. Oh, where's the alarm? Yep, there it is. So this is, well, a different kind of watch, and it has two buttons right here. And well, I was suspecting the temperature to be wrong, but guess I'm wrong. It's correct. I can confirm that with my watch. It shows the same temperature. I'm not sure if you can see that. So also, this watch has got some terrible viewing angles. So, like, you can see it now, right? Not sure if you can though. If I turn it, it will be pretty hard for you to see. Yep. This is all about the watch, and well, this is my first short YouTube shot. So, hope you like it. Thank you.